Hey there, Social Security recipients. If you've been eagerly waiting for your December benefits, I've got some exciting news that you won't want to miss. Those crucial checks are just around the corner, and some beneficiaries could see up to $3,570 hitting their accounts. Before we dive into all the details about these upcoming payments, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on all things Social Security, benefits, and financial news that matters to you. Let's talk about what's coming your way this December. I know many of you have been asking, when exactly will I receive my Social Security payment? And how much can I expect this month? Well, I'm here to break it all down for you, including the increased maximum benefit amounts and special payment schedules for both Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, and Supplemental Security Income, SSI, recipients. First, let's address the big news about the maximum benefit amount of $3,570. This applies to beneficiaries who retired at full retirement age with a history of maximum taxable earnings. You might be wondering, how is this amount calculated? The Social Security Administration determines this based on your lifetime earnings and the age at which you chose to start receiving benefits. Remember, the longer you waited to claim benefits, up to age 70, the higher your monthly payment could be. Now, for our SSDI recipients, you're probably eager to know about your upcoming payment. The good news is that your December benefit will be arriving in just 4 days. The exact date of your payment depends on your birthday, following the standard Social Security payment schedule. But what makes this month's payment special? Well, it includes the recent cost of living adjustment, COLA, which means you might see a slightly higher amount than what you received earlier this year. For SSI beneficiaries, let's talk about that $845 payment. This maximum federal SSI payment for an individual represents the standard federal benefit rate for 2023. You might be asking, is this the final amount I'll receive? Well, it's important to note that your actual payment might be different based on your specific circumstances, including any state supplements you might receive and any other income or resources you have. Speaking of state supplements, did you know that many states add their own money to the federal SSI payment? This means that depending on where you live, you could receive more than the federal maximum. States like California, New York, and New Jersey are known for providing significant supplemental payments. Have you checked whether your state offers additional benefits? Let's delve into the payment schedule for December. Social Security retirement benefits are typically paid on the second, third, or fourth Wednesday of each month, depending on your birth date. If you're wondering about your specific payment date, here's how it works. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th, you'll receive your payment on the second Wednesday. For birthdays between the 11th and 20th, payment comes on the third Wednesday, and for birthdays from the 21st through the 31st, you'll get paid on the fourth Wednesday. But what about those who receive both SSDI and SSI? This is a common question, and the answer depends on your specific situation. Some people qualify for both programs, which is known as concurrent benefits. In these cases, you'll typically receive your SSI payment on the first of the month and your SSDI payment on the third of the month or according to the regular Wednesday schedule. Many beneficiaries have been asking about direct deposit versus paper checks. If you haven't switched to direct deposit yet, you might want to consider it. Why? Direct deposit is not only more secure but also ensures you get your payment as quickly as possible. No more waiting for the mail or worrying about lost or stolen checks. Have you considered making the switch? Another important aspect to consider is how these payments might affect other benefits you receive. For instance, if you're receiving Medicare, your premiums are typically deducted from your Social Security payment. The standard Medicare Part B premium for 2023 is $164.90, which is automatically deducted unless you've made other arrangements. Are you aware of all the deductions from your monthly benefit? Let's talk about taxes on your Social Security benefits. Many recipients don't realize that their benefits might be taxable. If your combined income, adjusted gross income plus non-taxable interest plus half of your Social Security benefits, exceeds certain thresholds, you might need to pay federal income tax on up to 85% of your benefits. Have you considered this in your financial planning? For those receiving SSI, it's crucial to understand the resource limits. To maintain eligibility, an individual can't have more than $2,000 in countable resources, $3,000 for couples, but what exactly counts as a resource? Things like bank accounts, cash, stocks, and bonds count, but your home, one car, and certain other items typically don't. Are you keeping track of your resources to ensure continued eligibility? The upcoming December payments also reflect the 8.7% COLA increase that went into effect in January 2023. This was one of the largest increases in recent history, designed to help beneficiaries cope with inflation. But with rising prices affecting everything from groceries to healthcare, many are wondering if this increase has been enough. What has your experience been with managing expenses on your Social Security income? For those new to Social Security benefits or approaching retirement age, you might be wondering how to maximize your future benefits. The key is understanding how your claiming age affects your payment amount. For every year you delay claiming benefits beyond your full retirement age, up to age 70, your benefit amount increases by about 8%. Have you considered your optimal claiming strategy? It's also worth noting that if you're still working while receiving benefits and haven't reached full retirement age, your benefits might be reduced if your earnings exceed certain limits. In 2023, if you're under full retirement age, you can earn up to $21,240 without any reduction in benefits. Are you aware of how your work income might affect your Social Security payments? Let's discuss some strategies for managing your Social Security income effectively. Many beneficiaries find it helpful to create a monthly budget that accounts for essential expenses like housing, food, and healthcare. Some also explore ways to supplement their Social Security income through part-time work, investments, or other benefit programs. What strategies have you found helpful in managing your benefits? For SSDI recipients, it's important to understand the trial work period, TWP, and other work incentives. These programs allow you to test your ability to work while still receiving benefits. During a TWP, you can work for 9 months, not necessarily consecutive, within a 60-month period without losing your benefits, regardless of how much you earn. Have you considered exploring these work incentives? Regarding SSI, many recipients don't realize that certain types of income and support don't count against their benefits. For example, the first $20 of most income received in a month, the first $65 of earnings from work, and half the amount over $65 don't count. Food stamps, home energy assistance, and certain other forms of assistance also don't affect your SSI payment. Are you taking advantage of all available exemptions? The Social Security Administration also offers various online services through their My Social Security account. Through this portal, you can view your benefit verification letter, check your payment history, update your direct deposit information, and more. If you haven't created an account yet, it's a valuable tool for managing your benefits. Have you set up your online account? Looking ahead to 2024, beneficiaries can expect another COLA increase, though not as large as the 2023 adjustment. The Social Security Administration has announced a 3.2% increase for 2024. This means your monthly payments will increase again in January. Are you planning ahead for how to use this additional amount? Understanding your rights and responsibilities as a Social Security beneficiary is crucial. You have the right to appeal decisions about your benefits, request explanations about how your benefit amount was calculated, and receive help from the Social Security Administration. You also have responsibilities, such as reporting changes in your circumstances that might affect your benefits. Are you familiar with all your rights and responsibilities? For family members of Social Security recipients, it's important to understand potential auxiliary benefits. Spouses, children, and in some cases, parents might be eligible for benefits based on your work record. These family benefits can significantly increase the total amount of Social Security income coming into your household. Have you explored all potential family benefits? Many beneficiaries have questions about how other retirement accounts and pensions affect their Social Security benefits. While most retirement accounts don't impact your Social Security, certain government pensions might reduce your benefits through the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, or Government Pension Offset, GPO, Are you aware of how your other retirement income sources interact with Social Security? Healthcare costs are a major concern for many Social Security recipients. Besides Medicare, there are various programs that can help with medical expenses, such as extra help for prescription drugs and Medicare savings programs. These programs can help stretch your Social Security dollars further. Have you investigated all available healthcare assistance programs? It's also worth mentioning that Social Security benefits are protected from most creditors. However, they can be garnished for certain debts, including federal taxes, child support, alimony, and federal student loans. Understanding these exceptions is important for protecting your benefits. Are you aware of which types of debt can and cannot affect your Social Security payments? As we wrap up this discussion about December's Social Security payments, remember that staying informed about your benefits is crucial for making the most of them. Whether you're receiving retirement benefits, SSDI, SSI, or a combination of benefits, understanding how the system works helps you maximize your payments and avoid potential issues. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave a comment below with any questions you have about Social Security benefits. Your questions might help other viewers who are facing similar situations. Also, hit the like button if you found this information helpful, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from this information. Remember, while Social Security provides important financial support, it's just one piece of the financial puzzle. Consider consulting with financial advisors or Social Security representatives for personalized advice about your specific situation. Have you taken steps to optimize your overall financial strategy? Stay tuned for more updates about Social Security benefits, changes in payment amounts, and important deadlines. Together, we can navigate the complex world of Social Security benefits and ensure you're making the most of your payments. What other Social Security-related topics would you like to learn more about?